Have you ever wondered how AI is completely reshaping the business world? The speed of change is shocking and full of opportunity.
If you've been thinking about starting something big, this might be your moment to shine. Welcome to today's video. We're exploring how you can start your own AI automation agency. Imagine helping businesses save time, cut costs, and grow faster all using AI. More businesses than ever are turning to automation. The demand for experts is exploding. And the best part? You don't have to build new AI models from scratch. You can create huge value by applying existing AI tools in smart ways. Tools like ChatGPT, Zapier, Make.com, and more. But starting an AI agency isn't just about using tools. It's about solving real business problems. The first step to success? Choosing the right niche. Here's where many beginners get stuck. They don't know which market to target. They pick crowded industries, offer generic services, and struggle to get clients. Or even worse, they try to serve everyone and end up serving no one. Without a focused niche, it's nearly impossible to stand out or to charge premium prices. But don't worry, you're about to learn how to do it right. First, let's understand why picking a niche is so important. Businesses want specialists, not generalists. They trust experts who solve specific problems. When you specialize, your marketing gets easier. Your reputation grows faster. You become the obvious choice, not just another option. So, how do you find your perfect niche? Let's dive into the possibilities. First up, healthcare automation. Hospitals and clinics are under massive pressure. They need AI to work smarter, not harder. Imagine automating appointment bookings, reminders, and follow-ups, or using AI to manage patient data securely and efficiently. Telehealth is growing fast and AI is powering it. HIPAA compliance is a must, and if you understand it, you'll have a huge edge. Next, real estate automation. Agents and brokers are busier than ever, but much of their work can be automated. Lead qualification bots, AI-powered property matching, virtual open houses, all needed. Real estate agents love tools that save them time, and AI is a game changer. Third, e-commerce automation. Online stores crave faster growth and better customer experience. AI can personalize product recommendations and improve support. Automated cart recovery messages, higher sales without lifting a finger. E-commerce is booming, and smart automation is at the center of it. Fourth, financial services automation. Banks, credit unions, and fintechs need smarter workflows. AI onboarding assistants, fraud detection algorithms, investment bots, the future is here. And customers now expect fast, intelligent service. Fifth, small business automation. Local businesses are waking up to AI too. Imagine automating customer emails, loyalty programs, and review requests. Helping local businesses could be your golden opportunity. So many options, but how do you pick the best one? Let's reveal the most promising niche right now. Healthcare AI automation is the golden opportunity. The healthcare industry is being forced to modernize, and fast. Doctors, clinics, and hospitals are drowning in paperwork and patient requests. They need automation to survive and thrive. Appointment scheduling bots save time and money. Patient data management AI reduces human error. Telehealth chatbots improve patient satisfaction and access to care. And the industry is huge, trillions of dollars. The best part? AI adoption in healthcare is still early. That means less competition and massive opportunity. If you specialize in HIPAA-compliant AI solutions, you could dominate this space. You don't need to know everything about medicine. You need to know how to deliver automation solutions. Solutions that are secure, reliable, and easy for clinics to use. Want another advantage? Healthcare clients pay well. They value results over low prices. And when you help them save time, reduce errors, and improve patient care, they'll gladly become loyal, high-paying clients. So, if you're serious about building a profitable AI agency, healthcare could be your fast track to success. Of course, other niches like real estate, e-commerce, and finance are amazing too. It's all about where your passion and skills align best. Pick a growing industry, offer highly specialized solutions, and become the trusted expert businesses turn to. Let's quickly recap what we covered today. AI is changing the business landscape rapidly. Demand for automation experts is soaring. Picking the right niche is crucial to success. Healthcare automation is the hottest opportunity today. Focus, specialize, and serve businesses deeply. That's how you build a thriving AI agency. Now it's your turn to take action. Which niche excites you the most? Healthcare, real estate, e-commerce, finance, or something else? Drop your favorite niche in the comments below. Let's start the conversation. And don't forget to check out our next video for another cool idea. Like, share, and subscribe TrendShift.